Verify the heat treatment code here. Looks correct for the An-24 Spar.
Verify the cut lines on the spar.
Measurements confirmed. 0 deviation from the blueprint. This synchronized divergence initiates the process separation lock, confirming that the main structural spar and a precise, monitored heat treatment cycle inside the stabilization oven, displaying a uniform.
The aluminum sheets are moved to a hydroforming press, where intense fluid pressure finalizes the airfoil contour. The partially finished Process A wing spar is extracted from the CNC machine and immediately moved to a dedicated deburring station. The deburred Process A wing spar is lowered into the chemical bath for thorough cleaning and etching, preparing the surface for assembly.
The specialized infrared drying tunnel ensures the cleaned sheets are moisture-free. This is a critical step for the
The integration marks the transition from single-piece machining to complex structural fabrication.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good, within tolerance, ready for the robot.
This dynamic drilling shot highlights the critical manufacturing step, defining the load path capabilities of the Antonov wing spar.
Workers begin integrating prefabricated internal wiring conduits and pneumatic lines into the channels running along the process.
The Process A assembly is holding perfectly.
Data confirms full structural integrity across the spar.
Complete. We're close, I complete.
We certify that the An-24 Spar meets all safety factors.
The fully certified Process A wing spar assembly is meticulously released and transported by overhead crane toward the final inspection zone.
All right, the spar area is completely sanitized. We are ready for the next production batch.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Process A is fully finalized.
Visual check confirms the spar's perfect condition.
Ready for the pneumatic de-icing infrastructure attachment.
Check the alignment on the leading edge. It's within tolerance, 0.02.
The peel test verifies the immense strength of the adhesive joint, confirming the success of the bonding stage in Process B. The black pneumatic de-icing boot rapidly inflates, altering the aerodynamic profile. Scan sequence complete. All parameters within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for transfer to assembly.
With the biometric signature, the Antonov An-24 wing spar is certified flight ready.
Specialized protective caps are meticulously placed over exposed bowls and pneumatic ports. These caps prevent dust
Approaching the wing box now, we have precise alignment for the Antonov spar.
Confirmed. Holding steady at final height.
External power engaged. We have green across the board. Roger.
Starting the de-icing sequence on the left wing.
Boots inflating. Pressure is good.
Ground activation successful. De-icing system operational.
Rime ice rapidly accumulates on the leading edge, demonstrating the critical danger of these conditions and the necessity of the integrated de-icing system.
The black pneumatic de-icing boot rapidly inflates, visibly flexing the thick ice layer.
As the Antonov navigates these challenging conditions, the pneumatic boots ensure the wing spar remains free of ice, maintaining aerodynamic efficiency.
While passengers disembark across the snowy tarmac, the integrated de-icing system keeps the wing spar clean.
Check the spar integration closely. We had issues last quarter.
De-icing pressures are nominal, moving to secure the panel.
The Process A spar ensures robustness even under heavy fuel load in severe conditions. From fabrication to integration, this is the culmination of our commitment to flight safety, ensuring readiness in any severe weather.